tell your partner what that's called. Tell me.
10.
The bottom one, is it full?
No.
Tell your partner what that's called.
1.
All right. So how many 10s do we have, guys? 1 10. Good. Let's count the bottom one. Let's see how many ones we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many ones?
7.
Good. Let's say this. Say 17.
17
Has 1 10.
has 1
And
10
7 ones.
and 7 ones.
Operations.
Operation.
You ready to read with me? Go ahead.
Find the sum. The sum is the answer you get in math. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's this say?
Plus. Count the bottom. 1, 2, 3.
What's this say?
Equal.
Let's try the problem.
4 plus 3 equals.
What do I do now?
Count
All of them?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. Read it to me.
2 plus 2 equals.
So 2
2.
plus 2. What do I do?
Put them together.
Now what do I do?
Count them.
Thumbs up when you know the answer, please.
1, 2, 3.
Tell your partner. Whisper. 2
4.
plus 2 equals?
4.
Good. Pats on the back.
I already know.
Fractions, decimals.
Fraction decimal
Is the figure
is a figure
divided into
divided into
equal parts?
equal parts.
So you're going to agree or disagree, okay? If it's divided into equal parts. Yes, very good. All right. What is the fraction?
What is a fraction?
Fraction.
Fraction.
A fraction
A fraction
tells how a number is divided.
tells how a number is
So
divided.
I'm going to draw my line, right, for my fraction. Show me on your fingers how many pieces I have all together. Good, tell me.
2.
The bottom number
The bottom number
is the denominator.
is the denominator.
Show me on your fingers how many pieces are colored now.
1.
Tell me.
1.
The top number
The top
is the
number
numerator.
is the
Now here's a
numerator.
tricky question. Who can tell me what that's called? 1 over 2. What do you think, Kennedy?
A 1/2.
1/2. Can everyone say 1/2?
1/2.
Give her a hand. All right. Algebra and function.
Algebra and function.
Symbols.
Symbols.
Operations.
Operations.
Properties.
Properties.
Put the numbers in order.
Put the numbers in order.
All right, Miss Rudy's going to do it by myself, okay? I'm going to try it. I feel extra smart today. Oops.
You got one.
No.
No.
Uh-oh. Looks like I need your help.
But you did the one right. You did one right.
Okay.
Not the 2.
Maya. So we're going to put the first number here, okay? Do you know which one is the first number?
Yeah.
Which one?
Is it
What's the first number?
purple
Good.
or?
Can you put it here?
Yeah.
Good. What number is that, guys?
1.
Very good, Maya. Have a seat. Marlene, can find the number that comes next.
I'll find it. She pinned her neck in it.
Go ahead. What number comes next?
2.
Good. What number is that, guys?
2.
Excellent. Javier. Excellent. What number is that?
3.
And last, Denise. All right, Denise, hold on. Before you go, look at it. Is it right? What do you guys think? Agree or disagree? Good. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Functional relationship.
Functional relationship.
Read it.
Sort and classify.
We're going to classify by colors. We're going to start by colors today. What colors do you have?
Blue, red, green,
Katie, Oscar, Amaray, Regina.
No, I think he's wrong.
Uh-oh. Okay. Nicholas.
Oscar.
Well, Regina's going to fix it. Go ahead, Regina. Thank you. We're doing colors, guys. Remember, colors, okay? Just one, Nicholas. Great. All right, Layla, Jessie, and Almari. It's okay. Maybe I'll pick your stick next, okay? All right, guys, show me if you agree or disagree. These are all the same because they're all
Yellow.
These are all blue. These are all green. And these are all red. Very good. Measurement and geometry. Measurement. How many Mondays are in the month? Tell your partner what Monday starts with. Tell me. Okay, I'm going to look for Sunday, Monday. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to count all the Mondays. Do I count this one?
No.
Why not? No number, so let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many Mondays are in the month?
4.
Very good. Geometry.
Geometry.
Identify the number of sides. Think about what this is called. Think.
Triangle.
I said think. Whisper. Okay, tell me what this is called.
Triangle.
Here, repeat after me. I'm Tommy Triangle.
I'm Tommy Triangle.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Count my sides.
Count my sides. 1, 2, 3.
Tell your, whisper to your partner how many sides a triangle has.
3.
Tell me.
3.
Very good. Very good. Statistics.
Statistics.
Probability.
Probability.
Data analysis.
Analysis.
Identify. And extend. The pattern. So we have fish, star, card. Tell me the pattern.
Fish, star, car. Fish, star,
Okay, I
car.
want you to think about this. Don't tell me it. Think about what this pattern is. Whisper to your partner. Tell me. Good, tell me.
A, B, C, A, B, C.
Very good, here we go. Oscar, Noelia, Javier, Carter.
L.
No, crisscross your legs, guys. Put your hands in your lap.
Somebody step on it. Javier.
Noel, Jashandri,
Cool tattoo.
Nicholas, Caitlin, and Jessie.
Look what I brought back. I'm on.
All right, guys, eyes up here. Show me if you agree or disagree. Tell me the pattern.
A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C.
Very good. You're supposed to have that. Very good. Last one, okay? Almost done. Math reasoning.
Math reasoning.
Word problems.
Word problem.
Farmer Carter
Had
had 6 pumpkins.
6 pumpkins.
He gave 3
He gave 3
to Farmer Allen.
to Farmer Allen.
How many pumpkins
How many pumpkins
does Farmer Carter have?
does Farmer Carter have?
All right. So how many pumpkins did Farmer Carter have?
6.
And how many did he give away to Farmer Allen?
3.
The question is,
The question is,
how many pumpkins
how many pumpkins
does Farmer Carter
does Farmer Carter
have left?
have left?
Action.
Action. Take Subtraction.
All right, we're going to write our problem. So tell me again, how many pumpkins did Farmer Carter have?
6.
And this is subtraction, so we're going to do minus.
Minus.
How many did he give away?
3.
And I need to write my equal sign, right? So Carter, can you come on up here and help me, please? Let's count our pumpkins we have.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6. How many is he going to take away?
6. 3.
3. Can you take 3 and put it here, please? Let's count how many he takes away. 1, 2, 3.
3.
So look. Show me on your fingers how many pumpkins he has left.
1.
Oh, listen to my question. I want to know how many pumpkins he has left. Let's see where things. Tell your partner, please.
3.
Tell me how many pumpkins he has left.
3.
3 what?
3 pumpkins. Get off of me.
Very good. Excellent. Very, very good. Give yourselves a hand, guys. Excellent.
Mathematicians.
Yes.
So you like mathematicians so the brain, blood can get to your brain? Okay, let's start off with our cheer. Are you ready?
Ready.
And
B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Boardmath. Boardmath.
all right. Number sense.
Number sense.
Place value comparing numbers.
Place value comparing numbers.
Let's read.
Which sign makes this number sentence true?
And we need to read the number sentence first. Ready?
9 plus 3, 15.
All right. Who can tell me what the first thing we need to do to figure out what goes in that blank space? Breland.
I have the 2 numbers.
We need to figure out what 9 plus 3 is. Think it. Say it.
12.
Excellent. So now we know there's 12 on this side and 15 on this side. We can try out these symbols. Is 12 greater than 15?
No.
Is 12 less than 15?
Yes.
Ooh, so let's read what we did.
12
is
less than 15.
Great. Let's read the next one.
Which number goes on the line?
Let's read the problem.
15 plus equals 22.
All right, so we're going to count up from 15 to get to 22. So you're going to grab that big number and count up. When you know the answer, put your finger on your nose. Finger on your nose. Miss Kayla, did you count up from 15 to 22? You grab that 15 and count all the way up. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So how many is it? How many is it?
7.
Oh. Class, does 7 plus 15 equal 22? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Let's read the next one.
What is another way to write 700 plus 80 plus 2?
What is this long thing called? What is this long thing called, Mardon?
Expanded notation.
Expanded notation. You say it.
Expanded notation.
And I see 3 numbers here, which tells me I'm going to have 3 digits over here. And I'm going to start in my ones place. I need to know how many ones my number is going to have. Christopher, how many ones? 2 ones. Great. How many tens? How many tens? Ingrid?
8.
8. Very good. In class, tell me how many hundreds?
7.
Great. Let's read this number.
782.
Good. Operations.
Operations.
Let's read.
Find the sum.
And the sum is the answer to a?
Addition problem.
Good. Let's read.
643 plus 284 equals.
So what is the first thing I'm going to do with this long thing so that I can solve it? Roman? I'm going to stack it up, and I'm going to make sure that I line up my ones with my ones. So what's my 1 in this number?
4.
4, then
8.
then
2.
Good. And I'm going going to add it up. When I add a big number like this, I always start in the
Ones place.
3 plus 4. Think it. Say it.
6.
7. And then we go right over here. 4 plus 8. Think it. Say it.
12.
12. But I can't put both the 1 and the 2, so I'm going to put the 2 down here. Bring that 1 over here to the hundreds place. 6 plus 1 is
7.
7 plus 2. Think it. Say it.
9.
9. And so our sum is
927.
excellent. Let's read the next one.
Find the difference.
And the difference is the answer to a
Subtraction problem.
Great. Let's read.
936 minus 624 equals.
So when I do a subtraction problem, I'm always going to start where, Ariane? In the ones place. So what 2 numbers am I going to subtract, Anna? Where am I going to start? What am I going to subtract first? The ones place. What is in the ones place? 6 and 4. 6 minus 4. Think it. Say it.
2.
2. 3 minus 2 is
1.
Oh, 9 minus 6. Think it. Say it.
3.
3. And so our difference is
312.
excellent. Let's read the next one.
Find the product.
And the product is the answer to a
Multiplication problem.
Great. Let's read.
2 times 8 equals.
And because it's multiplication, we do it any way we want. So, do we want to count by 8s or do we want to count by 2s? Akadzali.
By 2.
By 2s. I think that's a good choice. So, hands up. We're going to count by 2s how many times?
8.
8. Ready?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
14, 16. So 2 times 8 is what, class?
16.
Great. Fractions, decimals.
Fractions, decimals.
Let's read.
What fractional part of the figure is shaded?
Shaded. This word fractional tells me I'm going to be building a
Fraction.
fraction. The bottom number of a fraction is called the
Denominator.
Right. The denominator. The denominator, let's remember, what does the denominator do? The
Denominator counts how many parts all together.
So, how many parts are there in this figure all together? Gabe?
6.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, so then the top number, what's that top number called?
The numerator.
The numerator. And the numerator counts
How many parts
we're counting. What are we counting? The
Shaded.
shaded part. Julian, how many parts are shaded? 2. So my numerator is going to be a 2. So this fraction is 2 6.
2, 6.
Let's read the next one.
Which fraction is the greatest?
Greatest is a fancy word for
Biggest.
And these fractions, let's read them together.
2 8
And 2 4. So we're going to be looking at the denominator. Which one would you say is the biggest fraction? Jalea?
2
Do you want to share with 8 people or do you want to share with 4 people? 4 people. If you share 4 people, you get a bigger
Piece.
So, do you think we should do 2 fourths?
No. Yeah.
Everybody say absolutely.
Absolutely.
All right, let's read this one.
What is the value of 4 dimes and 6 nickels?
When we're counting by dimes, what are we counting by when we count dimes, Roman? By tens. How many times are we going to count by tens, class?
4.
Ready?
10, 20, 30, 40.
I'm going to do this up here so we can see it. 40. And then we're going to count nickels. When we count nickels, what do we count by, Catherine? many times are we going to count by 5s, Charlene? Good. Your hands are already ready. Good. Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
30. So I know that the dimes are 40 cents and the nickels are 30 cents. What am I going to do with these numbers? Add them up. 0 plus 0 is?
0.
4 plus 3, think it. Say it.
7.
What's the answer?
70 cents.
Ah, I heard it. 70 cents. Algebra and function.
Algebra and functions.
Symbols, operations, properties.
Symbols, operations, properties.
Let's read.
How would you order these numbers to add without using pencil and paper?
What are the numbers?
4, 8, 6.
Oh, who remembers the secret to adding without pencil and paper? Elizabeth.
Add up to 10.
We need to find the 10. Look at these numbers, and when you see numbers that add up to 10, put your hand over your eye. Not your finger in your eye.
I can't do it over.
Okay. Catherine knows. Catherine, what two numbers add up to 10?
6 plus 4.
6 plus 4. So it'll go 6 plus 4 plus 8. 8. And if these two are 10, 10 plus 8 is?
18.
Good job. Let's read the next one.
Which number sentence would be used to check this sentence?
Let's read the sentence.
3 plus 10 equals 13.
Oh, who knows the secret to checking addition? Jaden? We're going to turn the train around. So, if 13 is the end of our train, what's going to be the beginning of our train, class?
13.
And the opposite of addition is?
Subtraction.
So, out of these two, which one do I choose, Ingrid?
The down one.
The one on the bottom. Let's read the one on the bottom.
13 minus 10 equals 3.
Do you agree? Say absolutely.
Absolutely.
Good. Functional relationships.
Functional relationships.
All right, let's read.
What number sentence would be used to find out how much more Jaden practiced on Monday than on Friday?
Read it once.
Read it twice.
Read it again. Put your finger on your nose when you're done reading. Great. Read it once.
Read it twice. Underline the question.
What's the question?
The whole thing.
The whole thing. So do we need to underline that whole thing?
No.
Don't get ahead of us. Read it once.
Read it twice. Underline the question. Circle information.
Okay, I need that information. What is the important information that you see, Lorenzo?
Monday.
Monday is important information. You're absolutely right. Kayla? Friday. Good. And I need one more piece of important information. Akazali?
Much more.
Much more. Great. Read it once.
Read it twice. Underline the question. Circle information. What's the key action?
What are we doing with all of this information? What are we doing? Are we finding the missing part?
No.
No. Are we taking away?
No.
Are we comparing?
Yes.
Julian, what are we comparing?
Monday and then Friday.
We're comparing Monday to Friday. So if our key action is comparing, what is our math action, class?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So we're going to be subtracting Monday from Friday. So how many minutes did she practice on Monday?
26.
26. How many minutes did she practice on Friday?
15.
And what did we decide we were going to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. 6 minus 5.
1.
2 minus 1.
1.
1. What is the answer to the problem?
11.
Minutes. Good. We got to say what they are. Good. Measurement and geometry.
Measurement, geometry.
Measurement.
Measurement.
Let's read.
What time is on the clock?
All right. When we are telling time, we always start with the
Minute hand.
No, the minute hand. The hour hand is the small hand. You say it.
The hour hand is the small
that small hand pointing to, Charlene? The 3. Is it exactly on that 3?
No.